All right. Um, Sorry if my voice is deep, but I might have just woken up. I actually didn't just wake up, but it's basically that. It's I woke up in like 2:30, so yeah, it's not really the best for me, especially in a mental state. So I might not be able to deliver as much as you guys might want to. I'm extremely sorry about that, but yeah. So today I want to add styling into my Rust project, or TUI app, or library. So um currently we have only font, color, and that's it. But um I want something like being able to add a custom, or not custom, but basically a more CSS like feel. The current quote unquote CSS we have is, I think I removed it. Yeah, I removed it. But it was basically just like a struct to styling, which isn't really that practical. So today we're gonna do um actual CSS. So yeah, let's start. So I actually want to show how I want to use this. So RSX, which is a div. So we have to go into source UI mod and then div. I want to add styling in here. Styling, public styling, and for now it's gonna be like this. It isn't gonna be anything special, but yeah, for now, just like so. Yeah, now let's get started. So if we run this, obviously it's gonna run because it's a button. Um, Now let's do styling, just like so. Obviously it's gonna be empty. Let's go into our prelude and let's also include CSS over here. CSS. We have to export it as well. Okay, so there we go. Now, yeah, it might seem weird to do this, but I mean, yeah, it kind of is. I'm not gonna lie. Um, yeah, okay, there we go. So, the first thing I want to do is doing something like a dot class name. So, basically I can add dashes into it. Uh, Hover, for example, or hover like this might be better because of the already existing double colon syntax. um but I also want to do something like this where it's actually going and going. So yeah, that's going to be really interesting in my opinion. um yeah, so let's get started. So um I guess what we can do is we can add like existing thing, or we can create one depending on the user input. So for example, if it's I'm gonna do hash map expression, then basically do everything else in here. I mean, okay, wait. Maybe something like this might work. Underscore TSS. So I'm gonna do that, and that is basically gonna be put in here, and over here we're gonna parse those parameters. But before we actually do, we need to define something like this, just like so. And hash map expression, right? Everything works, sort of. Um, basically what I'm trying to do is let hm, aka hash map, or mut hm is hash map new, and I'm gonna do this. Oh wait, standard collections, I think. Hash map, yep. We need type annotations. Yeah, that's what I'm about to get into right now. So hash map, this is gonna be a string, and this one, or a stir, and this one is gonna be a, let's do string for now. Yeah, so now to do this like thing, we are gonna do identifier, or hold up. Yeah, something like this. Name. Name, it's gonna be identifier, and I'm thinking of adding a dash in here for the thing. Currently that's a really good idea, and adding a dot here will make it like that. And if we actually try this out, you know, doing CSS or create CSS. Also, do you guys like this theme? I think it's cool. I'm gonna add this, remove that. Um, underscore TSS. Yeah. Um, okay. HM. Would you look at that? Nice and simple. Um, all right, so let's do this kind identifier. Oh yeah, we definitely need a plus in here. Minus plus, that's weird. Um, okay. And then we need this, which now we do have it. This is gonna be style. Uh, what do we make this? You know what? Let's do something like style or hold up. Let me put this so I can repeat it. Add a dash here or something like that. At as name identifier and then as expression. Yeah, that's about right. Can I make this an expression too? No, I guess not. It's alright. So now we do hm dot insert to string. Yeah, okay, that's gonna work. All right. I think now it's time to make a struct in styles here. Let's do public struct style and public should make this probably a enum. Yeah, it should probably be an enum, but for now this is good enough. All right, so style or let's do public enum style. Um, style or style name. All right, so um we're basically gonna do uh id string. Let's not forget, let's put this create UI style, or create UI style name, and we're basically gonna do the same but just style in here. Or instead of style, we can actually do like another hash map that just stores, like, yeah, I think that would be better, but at the same time, I think like you're gonna have some sort of issue. So hash map, we're gonna do create or a string, and then public enum style value, style value. Let's do font um color. Hmm, that's weird. EQ hash. So we need to put these over here. Hashtag derive EQ hash. Yeah, I think I'm not. What is going on? Oh, all right. Expected hash map. Oh, okay. So first of all, let's hm dot insert. All right, so we have hm dot insert. Now we can insert create UI style name, ID, and it's basically gonna be this. That's weird. I thought this was, anyways, I thought it was a string. It's a stir. Um, so here's where we actually do the thing. So I'm gonna do hash map from all right, so hash map from or you know what? You know what? Hear me out. Hear me out with this. Um we can do a string and a not string. So the not string is going to be tied to actual like style. Yeah. So a is going to be tied to a hash map um yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. So from, we're gonna do this, and here's where the magic starts. um so something like this. Yeah, that should work. Let's go into main RS real quick so we can try this out. Tests. All right, so we're gonna do create UI and we're gonna do a style name or style, hold up, style value. Right, expected identifier. Test. All right, so dot test. Expected identifier. It got an identifier. While trying to match meta variables. Oh, interesting. An expression. No syntax variables match repeating this depth. Name. Expected expression found. Oh, wait. I have an idea, dude. Alright, so public enum. So, let's actually also do some other stuff. For now, this is good. So, public enum style. We're gonna do. So, hear me out now. We're gonna do. Okay, this is gonna be interesting, actually. I'm not even gonna use style value. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna create a impl of style value, or like a trait style value. All right, so function public trait style value of function ANSI string ANSI BG. These all need a reference of self. Impl or function prioritize a reference of self. Can we do that? I think we can. Then it returns self. Partial EQ. All right, so what I'm thinking of doing is all right, so secondary. All right, 1 second. All right. So please, this has to work. Come on. Oh, but I think it might be an issue too because basically the problem now is uh maybe hold up. So a string to hold up. Let's scroll down to style now. Um public um other, and it's gonna be a hash map. And here we're gonna do create UI style name and style. All right, so a box of dynamic style value. Yeah, like I thought. So what I'm gonna do, public struct style core, and this is gonna be um basically what's gonna hold the style value together. Impl style core. All right, so we're gonna do ansi um string ansi underscore bg string. For this prioritized, what we're gonna do is another style core in here. We're gonna return a reference of style core. So what I'm gonna do here is if is null, I'm gonna make a boolean. If self.is null, we're gonna do secondary, else we're gonna do self. All right, that should work. But I'm not gonna lie, I don't really think prioritize really is gonna be required. If you think about it, prioritize really isn't gonna do anything to us. Like right now, I think we are gonna be really good with these two. So we can just put this like right here. Just like so. All right. So public impl style, or let's do style core instead. Style core for font. Please work. Please, dude. I'm begging myself. Oh. Function ansi bg self dot ansi. All right. So this one should also work. Impulse style core for color. All right, so public enum style name. That one is good. This one, we're gonna do dynamic style core. All right, we're gonna do public color. And color is gonna be a type of string. Or it's gonna be like color. What am I doing? So, um, we're gonna do, we're gonna insert like this. I think, yeah, I think, yeah. So, that's our name. Please, okay. I I don't know how to explain, but it's gonna be like, I feel like I'm gonna have bugs. Um, all right, I'm gonna do another one, underscore CSS. This one is gonna handle the key values. So basically, name identifier, tag value, expression. So HM expression, name identifier, value expression. All right, so we're gonna do um style or style, yep. So we're gonna do hm dot extremely sorry about that. I'm like really sorry about that. Hm dot insert. All right, so stringify name, and we're gonna do let mut style is style, or yeah, create UI style default input default for style function default style color none other. So other, we're gonna do hash map new. Wait, do we have a no standard? You know what? I'm just gonna do hash map hash map new, just like so. All right, dot insert dot to string, and then we can do style dot. Please, why am I doing this? Okay, wait, no, I think yeah, that's good, that's good. Expected style name found string. Style. Okay, wait. We need to wrap this. Create UI style name. ID. I think this should work, according to me. Wait, what am I doing, dude? That's that's not how this works. Well, that's that is kind of how it works, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an create underscore TSS style. All right, so what if we do something like this, where we do create CSS name expression value, boom. All right, so name expression or yeah, identifier. So now hear me out now. So over here, style dot name is equal to value color. Okay, wait, let me go into styles real quick and pull default for style, public color. All right, before we even do anything, I'm gonna do let styling is TSS unexpected token in input. What? Yeah, okay. So, all right, so dot name. I bet this is gonna run just fine. Just watch this. Yeah. All right, let's print line. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna do anything for now. Wait, let's return HM. Debug. Yeah, then we do name. Or you know what? Let me just, remove all of that unnecessary stuff. Testing. Dude, I'm just gonna do like inner TT style. I'm gonna do this. Inner. I'm not gonna lie, I like this, but at the same time, I don't really like this. So, um, boom, other TT. Create CSS. I'm gonna make two of these. One here. Style dot other dot push. Or dot insert. Stringify name value box new. Yeah, I think if I'm correct, it's a box. Yeah. All right, value, and then this other. To string. Style core is not satisfied. What does that mean? Font, color font. Oh, yeah. Okay, color black, for example. All right, nice. Let's print line with debug, of course, styling. All right, ID name, style, color none, other testing black. You know, I think it would be funny if I just like did like every single thing one by one. like, the colors and stuff. But at the same time, I think it would be really useful to do that, because we have more availability and stuff. Style expression, style name. Also, I think we should move from like sizing and stuff, when styling to actually like implementing them as like a real thing. Right, so color. Okay, wait. All right, so other and color, that's good. Um, okay, so um yeah, now let's put right, so color. I mean, everything's good here, so I'm not really gonna touch it that much. Color, blue, or cyan, something like that. Yeah, I honestly think everything we have done, basically everything we need to do. So if we do this again, there we go. But the only thing missing now is on underscore single underscore TSS. We actually need to do a class in here. Class. And for ID, we will do that too. So HM expression, hashtag name identifier, and this one is going to be for ID. So class ID, and now we are just gonna do like a name identifier. This is gonna be like when you do div and stuff. Create UI style default. All right, so now element we're gonna do so let's do this so that we get completions from that. Component. Okay, so style default. You know what? Let's do element or component. Style default. Create CSS. Um, component. Boom. Let's do div. Component div, just like so. Nice. Style, color, cyan, other. Yeah, we got proper TSS now. With that being said, um, I think we now need to do something like this. Let's go on to styles. Or lib macros main. No, it's on mod. Yeah. Styling. Standard collections hash map. All right, so style core plus send plus sync. Yeah, there we go. All right, so let's do styling, CSS. All right, so dot thing. All right, let's go, dude. That's crazy. Color white or yeah, color white. You know what? how can I use a TUI UI color everything from it? That works actually. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT this. Is it efficient if I use a uh get the all the items from a enum in Rust? Like use thing my enum. So here is what I am implementing. I'm I'm using a enum that has colors. Hold up now. So I think it would be pretty readable, right? Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Prelude. So UI color boom. So black. What? Expected enum. All right, so public mod colors pub use color or create UI color boom use Asui colors. Oh, I see. Um, all right. Let me just no color. No color. Let's do black or red. All right. Let's not get distracted too much here. But basically, we have gotten like 80% of things right. Now, I think it would be nice if we had, like a way to like do like on hover on things like that. So, yeah. Let's get into that. I think what would be helping here is it's going to be the fact that I'm gonna do style element. Style L. All right. So style element. All right. We're gonna do instead of style element, we're basically gonna do let's make it public struct style. This is gonna be the normal style. So style public style element. And this is gonna be a hash map of string with style element. Would you look at that? Um, so let mat style is create UI style, create UI style element, default. Import default for style. Style. Style element default. Style default. Expected struct. Found struct. Alright, so style default. What do we do here? Oh, yeah, hash map. New. Alright, style default. Please work. Style element. Okay, we have to go into here. Styling style. Alright, expected style, found style element. Style HM, or instead of HM, we're gonna do style. Style. Boom. So it's gonna be interesting. So instead of insert, we are gonna do style dot 0 dot other. Expected struct, found struct. Interesting. So wait, this is a style. You know what? I'm gonna comment all this out. Let's see. I'm gonna get this one right here. Dot name identifier. Please, come on. No. Okay. Argument to this arguments to this method are incorrect. Expected struct style core. found struct style element. Dot one dot insert or dot. All right, dot zero. Wait, what am I doing here? I think what would be good is, what if we do hash map? But the problem now is, okay, wait. I'm gonna add a underscore right after macro export, macro rules, CSS, underscore. Hash map. Or you know what? We pass hash map in here. Let's pass hash map. All right. So, let's do hm underscore tss. All right. So hm dot insert dot insert stringify name. Yeah, this one. hm dot insert let mut style is create UI style default. All right, so if I'm correct now, we are gonna do an create underscore underscore CSS style, and then this. Let's do style dot zero. There we go. All right, now let's do another one. but with with another identifier. Um, kind identifier. All right. So I'm gonna go into styles right now. So it's gonna be a hash map of string and style element. So we are gonna do I don't know why, but for some reason I like really want to do like some other thing. Okay. Um, I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna stop streaming and actually figure this out until I